Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the video where we talk about why the US spends so much money on the military. Now let's test what you've learned. Does the US spend more on the military than any other country? Yes, it spends more than any other country in the world. Does the US have military bases only inside its borders? No, the US has military bases in more than 70 countries. Is one reason for high spending to support global peace and allies? Yes, that is one of the reasons. Does the US military avoid investing in technology? No, it heavily invests in advanced military technology. Do military jobs exist in only 1 or 2 states? No. Defense-related jobs are found in many states across the US. Do critics say military spending is always a good thing? No. Critics argue it should be reduced or redirected to social programs. Is the military budget unrelated to politics? No. Politics plays a big role in military budgeting. Does the US rely on outdated weapons and equipment? No. The US focuses on modern and high-tech defense systems. Do some believe military spending helps prevent wars? Yes, many supporters say it helps maintain peace and prevent wars. Is there only one correct opinion about military spending? No. Opinions vary widely depending on values and priorities. Watch this video as many times as needed to reinforce what you've learned. Subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV, give us a like, and stay tuned for the next videos in this amazing series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.